Have you ever wondered why pastry lovers mark their calendars on the 6th of April? That's right, it's National Carbonara Day. Let's make a carbonara cake. Let's cake the cake inside our carbonara. I use a circle cutter to cut out 2 pieces of 4-inch round cake. Then I put a smaller circle cutter on top of our cake as a guide. Then I use a serrated knife to round off the edges. Then fill the cake with Italian meringue buttercream. Then I use a vanilla buttercream to crumb cook the cake. I swapped it to a vanilla buttercream because the color is similar to our carbonara. So if there is a gap between our spaghetti, it still won't be that noticeable. Let's move on to the spaghetti, adding some orange-ish gel food color to our fondant. Well, National Carbonara Day isn't just another food holiday. Home cooks often take their opportunity to make carbonara from scratch and experimenting with different cheese and type of pork to find their perfect version. Now I just put some cream shade fondant in our fondant extruder. Which dish shall we choose? This dish can only make one spaghetti at a time. Let's choose one that can make more spaghetti at a time. I always want to have a go on making homemade pasta and spaghetti. Have you ever made a homemade spaghetti before? Then you need to spread out the spaghetti so it won't stick together. Once you have made enough spaghetti, then put it aside, let it dry a little bit. It's always a good idea to store your fondant in an oil container so it will last longer. Let's move on to the bacon. Then I use yellow, white, pink, red and brown gel food color to color our bacon. Speaking of pasta, I think you may want to know I love ravioli too. It's so simple to make, but it's very delicious. When I study in England, carbonara and ravioli are my go-to dishes. How can I forget to mention pesto pasta? It is one of my favorite dishes too. Fresh basil just makes any meal instantly more flavorful and beautiful. Do you love pasta too? Which pasta do you love the most? Let me know in the comment down below. I tuck some aluminium foil under the bacon, so when it dries, it will curl up, which will make it look more realistic. Then I added some dark brown to darken the toasted edges. People say if you haven't tried carbonara, it won't and you haven't been to Rome. Let's assemble our cake. Now our spaghetti should be hardened a little bit. Let's start from the bottom of our cake. Spaghetti to cover the top of our cake. Let's grate some some white chocolate on top of our cake. It really does look like real cheese. Then spray some edible glaze on our bacon. Let's move on to our creamy sauce. I thin down the buttercream with a little bit of milk. Then add some gold leaf to clamp it up. And there you have it. It's a carbonara cake. Let's cut it. What cake do you think I should make next? Let me know in the comment down